How to add extension repositories in Aniyomi app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add extension repositories on the Aniyomi app. So first of all, head over and open your Aniyomi application, and then you're going to click on this more icon at the bottom right. So once you do so, you're going to scroll down and click on settings. And here you're going to scroll down and click on browse. And over here, you'll be able to see two extension repos, anime extension repos and manga extension repos. So you're going to go to your search engine and search for Wutaku Aniyomi extension. And here you're going to click on this one, that is wutaku.wiki. And once you do so, you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see extensions of anime and manga. So let's first do for anime. So before doing that, you have to go back to your Aniyomi application. And over here, you're going to click on anime extension repos. And then you can see that I have no repos yet. So you can go back and here you're going to click on install. So once you click on install, it will automatically redirect you to the Aniyomi application and the extension would be added. Now let's do the same for the manga one as well, but before that, let's see whether the extension has been added or not. So simply go back and now you can see the extension has been added. Now let's do for manga. Just open manga one and go back, and here scroll down and click on install next to any extension, and you can see that extension is automatically added. And then after that, you can head over and click on browse, and then you can install, click on anime extensions and install them here. So that is basically how you can add extensions on the Aniyomi application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.